Day one of demo, took the leaf blower and blew everything towards the front and then swept it out. My son and I worked on taking out the base of the bus seats. It's really simple. There's some Phillips head screws under here. You can literally just take out these two and then pull the seat towards you and then take out the remaining ones. And with your Phillips, go underneath here. And like I said, you can just take out the front two. First bus seat is out! Yeah! Terrible viewing. The first bus seat is out! Yes! Only 19 bus seats to go if I keep the 2 in the front. And if not, 20. So, let's get to work. Okay, I'm just telling you I did it. Okay, I'll look at it in a minute. Good job. torrential downpour here. And I know that there is some leaking coming in this door here, the rear door, right at the top. So definitely have to address that. So this window does not shut. I think somebody hit something on this back end and it's pinching it to go, so it can't go up. So I just put a bucket there just in case we get any drips. I was gonna check to see if there was any leaking on the hatch here, the emergency hatch. And so far I do not see or feel anything. So that's good. That seal is good. All these seats out and all these seats out. And these ones I had to stop because of the downpour. So we will continue later. I have, let's see, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 seats to go, because these two might stay. We're not sure yet. So, all right, this is officially end of day 1 because it rained me out earlier, but I got a shower and came back in. Watch out, please. See how far I got. Well, look at that. Those are gone. Got the 2 seats still in place, and everything else is gone. Got all the seats out. Heater's still there. Some tools. It was raining pretty good, so I've got the fan going. There we are. More work to do, obviously, but looking good. What do you think about the bus, guys?
Great. I need to hold the fan on.